Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to create a Udemy account. So Udemy is an educational website where you can learn. So to create a Udemy account, first of all you have to open up a browser, any browser you like. So I'm using my Chrome browser. After opening your browser, search for Udemy sign up. After searching for Udemy sign up, scroll down and you can find sign up and start learning. Tap on that link and here you will open up Udemy sign up page. So in first blank you have to enter your name, and in second blank you have to enter your email, and in third blank you have to enter your password. So after entering your detail, just tap on sign up. And after tapping on sign up, you have successfully created your Udemy account. So this is how you log into your Udemy account. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.